Press the bell icon on YouTube and don't miss another update.
Hi Shujit sir, welcome to Indian Express. Thank you for speaking with us.
Hello, thank you so much.
In extreme conditions, we take extreme measures. This was a film, Gulabo Sitabo, we had been waiting for ever since we heard about this. Was it unprecedented? Of course, with the film going to the streaming platforms directly.
When the release date was coming closer and we knew that this lockdown is slowly increasing day by day and it's not opening, that's when the thoughts started coming in. And then I think I thought over, and I discussed this with my producer Ronnie and Sheel. Then we had a discussion with Mr. Bachchan, and then we informed, and it was not an easy decision. It was a tough decision, even if it's a tough decision. But I think it's a right decision for the time to adapt, and I think we should all evolve from whatever situation we are facing. We should learn from there, and we should move on. So I thought the film, I should cater to the audience who are sitting at home and not able to come to theatre. So I thought this is the best way to reach to the audience.
Do you see this also as an opportunity that more and more people are going to probably just watch it on the first day because we can't wait for it to release?
I guess so. That's what I think Amazon is telling me, that we will release this film as a large scale, and like a cinema, not less than. And it's a big release for me. I never had this big release, let me tell you. One thing, I'm so happy in the digital medium that nobody is going to bother me with the box office figures, and I will be happy that I am not constantly checked and tested that तुम्हारा फिल्म तो काम नहीं करेगा, तुम्हारा फिल्म तो ये नहीं हुआ, आज तो ये कलेक्शन हुआ, वो कलेक्शन हुआ. For a director, it's a painful hearing, So I think I will be out of that. That's for sure.
How was the camaraderie like on the set? Because you worked with both of them before, but this pair, we're looking at this pair for the very first time on the big screen.
When we were casting them, I think when I felt that there's some kind of freshness that that it comes out when they both are together. So on the set, I think when I told both of them that when I told Mr. Bachchan sir it's Ayushmann, he was so excited to hear that. Oh, that's a very good casting, Shujit. And when I told Ayushmann that he would be pitched against Mr. Bachchan, he also got a little, scared, but he was so excited. Both were excited to work with each other.
How did you manage to sort of form that ease in their characters? Because it almost seems really seamless the way, we see their chemistry on the screen.
We did a lot of rehearsals with Mr. Bachchan and with Ayushmann. Ayushmann is very good with learning the lines and then coming. So if you see, he doesn't look like an Ayushmann. He looks like a Baake, a very normal, ordinary boy from Lucknow, and with a little paunch and hair parted. Same with Mirza. He doesn't look like Amitabh Bachchan. He looks like absolutely like a character Mirza. Nowhere he looks like anybody else, and you can't. When you see the film, you won't feel that it's Amitabh Bachchan. You will feel it's some Mirza from old Lucknow who is actually performing. So I think we tried to catch as much realism as possible. Location played a very important character because the kind of setting we were shooting them, that made them also quite. That also made them, quite as a part of the sequence.
We know Ayushmann aces and he slays all that, the UP accent. He's done that in a couple of, earlier in a lot of films. What makes this one different from, because Lucknow is a sheher we've seen in a lot of movies in the past. How would you say this one is different?
I call this film as a world of Gulabo Sitabo. So there are many characters, many films, many families, and my camera just goes inside there and observes them. It's not to tell them, okay, you act and we'll do something. It will not feel like that. It's so fluid, you know. It will look like an everyday people who come from an economically little lower background, their everyday struggle, everyday living life with everyday problems and everyday smiles. So I think Ayushmann will melt into this world so well that you will not notice him. So I think that's the fascinating and different part, rather than possibly Ayushmann who could play to the gallery. No.
With the kind of setup that we see in the film with Amitabh Bachchan ji's looks and Ayushmann looking rather foolish in a comical way, you know, with his all ragged look, what was the insight that you gave to them to sort of pull off their respective characters and be in that skin of looking foolish and, you know, still having that sensibility in the character?
One, of course, it was written very well. So I think half of the job was then done. And let me tell you, I am also a very good actor of my scripts, not generally a good actor. For my scripts, I'm a good actor. So I act a lot on my set, only for the characters. Apart from that, I think we picked up lots of very regular references from Lucknow itself as a boy for Ayushmann and for Mr. Bachchan for Mr. Bachchan. So before the shoot, 6 months before the shoot only, he was constantly asking me, just shoot some people talking and, you know, just send it to me. So we did that. We showed him a lot of references of general people. We went there and shot it with the mobile phone and just how. And Mr. Bachchan is from Lucknow, so for him to get the, he's from UP, so he knows the language and the flair quite well. So he was aware of that. So basically, lots of internets and a lot of references, and actually in Lucknow, to be there and be the people of that. So all that helped.
What were the major challenges you had to go through?
The weather condition, number one, most important was because we were shooting in the month of June and July, and the temperatures reached 45 degrees. And Mr. Bachchan with these prosthetics and this thick, you know, kurtas and inners and this. So you can imagine so we would shoot in the morning hours. Sometimes we'll shoot at 6 o'clock as a first shot. So if it's 6 o'clock as a first shot, challenge was that Mr. Bachchan will have to do a makeup of 3.5 hours. So he'll have to come at 3:30 possibly sometimes, or 3 o'clock, you know, if it's a 6:30 call shoot. So, you know, this was the major challenge. And the second major challenge was, but he came. He came at 3:30 in the morning. He will himself say, okay, I'll come at 3 o'clock at 3:30. So then I'll feel very bad.
Actors who's known to be on time and very particular about.
Oh yes, yeah. There is no doubt about it. He's just on time. And then shoot the entire day, and then get ready for the next day to come. So you can imagine in this heat. The second challenge was to recreate this ambience and environment, how to shoot this. So we shot this entire film in one single lens and a wide lens. So I guess possibly this is the first time that, you know, that we shot this entire film in one single lens and wide. So nothing is hidden, so you can see everything.
With Piku, of course, all the songs were hit. Even with the background score, that sitar sequence,
Yes.
where, you know, with which the film begins, if I'm not wrong.
Yes.
Even that is something that has caught people's attention. There have been, you know, various covers, piano, guitar. It's been so. Do we see a similar pattern with this film? Maybe.
Exactly, if you see. So in Piku, the theme music of the sitar, that was the driving factor for everything, for all the songs and everything. So in this film also, you will see that Shantanu, the way he scored the theme music, it's there in the album, you can listen to it. It's very different. It's sound of ektara and very traditional raw music, you know, very rooted also. So that has driven the sound pattern of this. Even the music that you see, I mean to say songs. For me, music is the score of the film, so that's very important.
If you could directly tell the audience the 3 reasons to watch Gulabo Sitabo.
Watch Gulabo Sitabo on 12th June. Reason number 1, this is from the same team of Piku, Vicky Donor, Pink, October, Yaha. So I think they're the same team, same flavor. So that's one. Secondly, you must watch this film for the pair and the characters, that is Mirza and Bake and Farooq Jafar, who is 90-year-old, and Vijay Verma and Vijender Kala. They are just absolutely brilliant in this film, I can tell you, as a filmmaker. And third, the most important is see the how we have shot Lucknow, how we have shot this city. And I'll add one more point, fourth point, that you must look out for. You look out for all the animals in the film: the goat, the lizard, the pigeons. Some are seen, some are not seen, but don't forget to notice them.